Look at this big daddy. I freaking I like this chainsaw, but I hate it. Hate it because I bought it. I bought it just pretty much like it sits, and it's been a bane of my existence since then. So yeah, but hopefully, I think I'm fixing it. Hopefully, finally. If not, we'll keep looking. We've replaced everything on it except the coil. We did take all this apart, this whole head and everything. Let me zoom you out here. Took the whole head apart, cleaned the wheels off, cleaned everything, and well, as you can see, I went ahead and I couldn't find another carb, uh, the exact carb that went on this. I couldn't find the exact carb that went on this, but I found a similar carb that 50 saws. They had them on 610s. It had a Zam on it. I'm putting a Walbro on it, right there. Uh, we're gonna give her a shot. I'm hoping this carb's good. The other carb, it looked like the previous owner tried to put a rebuild kit on it, or previous before him put a rebuild kit on it. They put the wrong rebuild kit because you can't see the actual. It's a C2S, but we don't know which one it is, and I'm not versed up on it, But we're gonna throw this thing together. All right, kind of see we're right on top of it. We're gonna pull that out. That was just to keep any dirt and debris I'm getting on it. By the way, I'm using a Wheeler gunsmithing kit because I love the screwdriver heads on it because they meet up perfectly. That's not exactly the most perfect one, but okay. But they meet up perfectly and they're not gonna chew your stuff up. Kind of interesting. Any guys out there? Everything hooks up the same. Gasket. Get everything lined up. It's just the worst part about this whole thing. I remember this. That way when we pull that out, that slips in there. Okay. Hopefully I'm going in here. Don't think I'm going in on that side, but I am on the other side. So we're in the hole. These are long-winded screws, guys. And I know it's kind of hard to see with my hands in the way. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just praying this thing kind of works. Because the old carb, you'd fire it up and it'd run for second sputter, and it like tuning it, and nothing was. There was no high, and there's no low. There wasn't. It just wouldn't tune worth the crap. So like I said, I tore it apart and like couldn't find the right kit. And they put these HBDs on these saws too, from what I read. See that? Perfectly fits in there. You can kind of get a mash on it, and it's not going to strip. It's not going to strip your screw out, guys. Gunsmithing screwdrivers. Will it work? Ladies and gentlemen, will it work? I'm praying it does, because I'm tired of working on this stupid thing. What's fun when it's on, when you got this thing barked off, oh my gosh, she screams. She really does scream. Throttle, all right. Close that. It's slightly windy out here, folks. I apologize if you know, if we get a little wind blown here. But we're just gonna leave the air cleaner off right at the moment. That said, throttle. Throttle is working. We got those. Probably gonna have to do a little tuning on this thing a little bit, but hope she goes. All right, choke it. We're getting all our fuel kind of up to it. Either so. Ha 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 ha! All right, choke off. Holy smokes, boys. Get out of here, because it is. You shouldn't do that with the air filter out, guys. Oh, hold on. Hey! We're gonna leave her running for a second. We'll come back and we'll see if she's still running. Oh, baby! We are in. It's still going. We've been running for about 5 minutes now. Every time it goes to die, I just kind of like, I just kick off the brake and it just goes right back to run. I do need a new air cleaner. Surprise. Ladies and gentlemen, I mean, this pup, that puppy purrs. Oh my gosh. You guys do not know how happy I am. Because I bought this thing, I got a few extra chains for it. I got, you know, the big bar on it and everything, but then it was petering out. It was the ProMac 605 lives, and it actually runs. I think I need to sharpen this chain. File the rake. I think it's a raker thing, but it runs. It stayed running until I shut it off. Let's fire it up again. I know I'm driving y'all nuts right now, but we did it. Anyways, thanks for, you know what, we're cutting her. We're cutting her there. We're cutting her there because I think I need to file the records on that thing. It's been an absolute pain in my butt, but I figured it out finally. But we're gonna enter there. Hey, we got her running. We're gonna file the chain. We're gonna be in some big wood soon. Need to tighten that up too. That's quite loose. We're gonna be cutting some big stuff soon. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see when we get to it. But she's running and running good. I'm gonna tweak a little bit on the carb, but not much. Not much. Just a little bit. Yeah. Thanks for watching, folks. If you like this kind of stuff, hit the like, hit the subscribe button. I'm so happy right now. You know what, everybody, have a good rest of your evening right now. I'm going to throw this thing in the shed. By the way, I'm not going to be working in the shed a whole lot because it's blazing hot in there still, and the sun is right behind the trees, so it's still blazing hot in there. So I probably won't be doing a whole lot of work in there for the near couple months. A little bit, if I do, it's going to be really early morning. But thanks for watching, folks. See you on the next one.